As of right now, the abortion rights proposal is off the November ballot.
State Board of Canvassers deadlocked along party lines, meaning both the abortion rights proposal and an overhaul of voting rights will now probably go to the Michigan Supreme Court. Mara McDonald live in the News Center area tonight. Time is of the essence here, right, Mara?
Devin, you're absolutely right. It's because the November ballot needs to be finalized by September 9th, which means the Michigan Supreme Court has about a week to make a decision here. If the State Board of Canvassers, which is composed of 2 Republicans and 2 Democrats, deadlocks, a ballot proposal won't go to the ballot, and that's what happened today. In both cases, these ballot proposals had more than enough signatures, but the Republican members turned them down for different reasons. On the abortion ballot proposal, what you see here is the issue. It's a text formatting problem, which left spaces out in 4 lines.
Petitions are, quote, legal documents. Legal documents require actual words.
But the board doesn't regulate word spacing. The legislature has not delegated any authority to this executive branch board.
The GOP members said no because of the missing spaces, but attorneys who are not involved in the case tell me they believe the Michigan Supreme Court will put it on the ballot. The term they use is a Scrivener's defense, meaning an unintentional drafting mistake. The other ballot proposal, which would overhaul voting rights in Michigan, including allowing early voting, was kicked for a different reason. Alleged lack of listing every section of the state constitution it would get rid of or abrogate.
Promote the Votes proposal would abrogate several constitutional provisions, including Article 2, Section 2, that were not republished in the petition.
The GOP members bought that argument and would not certify it. That, too, is headed to court for a final decision. Back here live, I think it's important to point out that the State Bureau of Elections recommended to the canvassers that they certify both of these ballot proposals, but the Bureau did not take any sort of recommendation or position on the legal challenges. We're live in the News Center. I'm Mara McDonald, Local 4.
All right, and as Mara mentioned, we're in a time crunch here, so we would expect some action, or at least a heads up on which way this is going here very soon.